Sammy at Samatized, and just doing a quick video. Wow, look at my head. It's like ginormous. But this is a VR version. This is the 360 version of the motorcycle area. We have some other videos as well, but this is one for your special tools so you can see it in 360, baby. So anyway, there's a lot of Harleys. There's a Boss Haas that's over there with the red flames, over to the right hand side, or if you're on VR, in the middle. And then there's a few different types of bikes of all makes and shapes and sizes. Hope you enjoy, and please like and subscribe at Samatized, and ring that bell so you can see more of our cool little videos in shorts and our podcast Wednesdays and Saturdays. Thanks, guys. Peace.